The market is sitting at 25.8k, market move up and come back down. What does it mean? And on the 4-hour chart, I told you not to take a buy position, because if you took a buy position after this breakout, you see market drop down, you should be in loss. And on the Ethereum chart, the same thing. If you take a sell, you should be in profit. And if you take a buy position, you should also be in loss. And Matic and other has obeyed as predicted. All of this and more I am going to be talking about in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational contents. BTC USDT 1-day chart. You see the market is still within this very range of consolidation. And I told you that the market have a capacity of moving to the downside than moving upward, because the market is in a downtrend. Notwithstanding, I talked to you about this very level of support, and this support right here have to be broken, because if we see that, the market is going to begin to ride upward. And I said the reason why we are seeing this very peak right here, rejection at this point, rejection at this area, is because this level is very strong and is going to break soon. And market is going to break with a significant candle, and afterward, market is going to continue its movement to the downside. You see, this movement right here to the upside was not a buy position, not at all. And market is going to come in here. What I am paying attention to and what I want you to look into critically is this very area of support. Once we see this very area of support break on the 1-day chart, then that means market is going to move to the downside. So all your focus should be on this very area of support. And what if the market did not break on this very level? Then we are going to see the market retrace a little bit to the upside and continue in this downward movement. So if the market did not break and continue its movement upward, market is still going to continue downward. So all eyes on the bears, because the market is going to continue to the downside. And notwithstanding, if you look at the MACD is still having low momentum on the MACD histogram right here, although is forming on the positive side of the MACD, which could have implied that the market should move up, but we're not seeing that momentum in the MACD histogram for market to begin to move to the upside. So pay attention to market coming back down on the 4-hour chart BTC. If you look at this area, I told you in my immediate last video on the channel right here, this very video right here, and I said that you should pay attention to shorting the market. And I said this very area of resistance, that is this very zone of resistance at this very point, and this other zone of resistance right here is where the market is going to get into before it will drop again, and that you should not take a buy position after the breakout. Exact same thing we are seeing right now. What I am still expecting is for you to short the market and not buy, and that will mean that even though you see the market begin to move up, market is going to come back down. I will tell you when I think the market is going to begin to buy upward. So for now, continue to look for short opportunity in the market, and most especially if the market break this very line of support. So once this line of support is broken with a bearish candle, market is going to continue its movement downward and then retrace and continuation back to the downside. This is what you need to know and pay attention to from now onward. And on the 4-hour chart ETH, if you look at this area, market has not moved any significant move either upward or downward. Market is still within this range, and I told you to focus on this very line of support. Once we break out of this line of support, expect a massive move downward. Market is going to begin to move downward on the ETH chart, and this is what you need to pay attention to right now, because it's very, very important. If you see the market move up from here to the upside, don't take a buy. Look for short opportunity for market to come back to the downside again, and I am going to be updating you on this very pace. And on the other chart, you see other right here, is about to break this very level of consolidation on the chart. And if you look at it very well, you see the market is within this very area of resistance and this very line of support. If market break here, which is what I am paying attention to, because when market move from here to the downside and then consolidates, and what that means is market is going to break here, and once that breakout occurs with a bearish candle, market is going to continue its movement to the downside, retrace and continue its formation downward. This is what you need to pay attention to right now. A breakout here will also send the market up, but don't take that breakout as a buy, because the markets have a great potential of moving down than going bullish. And on the Matic chart, if you pay attention to my last analysis, I told you that at this very point of resistance, this very area, and that the market is going to go down and that you should take a short position. That was when this candle was forming at this very point. Market did come down and then come back to the upside, failed to create a new high, and right now market has dropped. If you took this buy position, you should be in profit, and I believe that you should be thinking about collecting profit and exiting this trade right now. I also talk about the fact that market have capacity of moving into this very level of resistance, but market did not. And also, if you look at where the market is at this very area of support. So critical support at this very point, market is going to obey this support, guys. What I am paying attention to right now on Matic is market to continue movement downward a little bit before retracement and then continuation. That means market should move down, retrace, and then continue its movement downward. What that also means is that if you did not take a sell or short position when I said you should do around this area for market to move down, this is not the right time to take a short position anymore, because the market has already moved from this area right to the downside. What you need to do right now on Matic is to wait for the market to come down a little bit, retrace, and then at continuation, it will be a nice time to short again from this very level. This level is a resistance at this point and also support at this very area. This is very, very important. Don't buy if the market is moving upward, because the market will not last long on retracement before it will continue its movement to the downside. This is what you need to pay attention to and apply in your strategy right now for profitable trading. So what do you think on the Bitcoin chart? Because the BTC chart move almost all pairs. Market is going to come down. That is my own directional bias. The worst we're going to see is that the market is going to move up a little bit and then continue downward. Don't expect any parabolic move upward, creating a new high higher than the previous highs that we've seen in the market. Do you think this market is going to shoot up and create a new high as we approach next week CPI and federal fund rate? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. If you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis like this, enroll for my trading course. Check the description of this video. You see contact, reach out to me immediately for enrollment. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.